Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And as you can see, my portfolio is on fire this last week. And I'm going to be explaining to you guys how I'm able to make these awesome profits and how you can also make these nice profits. But before I get into it, I really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. And for those who are looking to start off on Robinhood, I recently did a video where I was opening free stocks. If you'd like to join Robinhood, it's like the program they have. If you use a link to sign up, I have a referral link in the description down below. If you'd like to sign up for Robinhood, you get a free stock, and it could be anything. Technically, almost any stock. It could be like Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Microsoft, GE, Ford, Snapchat. It could be basically anything. So for all those looking to start investing, I would definitely recommend Robinhood. And if you'd like a free stock, feel free to use that link. Alright guys, so getting into the video, how today I was able to make these massive, in my opinion, these are pretty nice profits today. It was mostly because of two stocks. Of course, these are the ones that I got from the free stocks. Usually I got bigger stocks, like $5, $6, but now it came out to be like $2 or $3. But it's all good. It's free stocks, basically. So I did buy Drip. When was this? Was this yesterday? I'm pretty sure I bought yesterday. Yep. I bought 4 shares of Drip at $9.37. Because I saw it was at the support. It was at like the lowest place where it usually bounces. Ended up bouncing. And it's still, I think it still has some profit margin to cover. I think it could definitely hit $10. But if I need to take my profits like at $9.90, I definitely will. And that profit margin will definitely be worth it. So that'd be around a 5 to 8% profit on that stock. And then here we go. TQQQ, our massive profit maker right here. So I bought TQQQ on the dip, and for those who don't know, TQQQ follows the overall stock market like SPY does, similarly, except it's a bit cheaper and a little more volatile. Well, times 3 volatile, so it's a lot more volatile. But actually, basically what I did is I saw the overall pattern on this stock was that it went up a lot, like it had a spike up, and then it always dipped down. Spiked up, dipped down. Spiked up, dipped down. And when there was a dip, I saw this as a huge buying opportunity. So I decided to buy some shares of TQQQ on the dip. I bought at different price points, but my average price point was $55.80. So as you can see from now, I've made about $3.50 per share. And I have 2 shares. So that's some nice profits on the stock. And there's technically, the place where I'm looking to sell this stock is not necessarily an exact time, but I think soon I will be able to sell it. I'm just waiting for maybe if it hits $60, $59 right now, I would be happy to sell it right now, but it still has no signs of a reversal, so I'm just gonna keep holding it until it starts showing signs of a reversal. It may be a little bit overbought right now, but it just keeps climbing, so I might just take the profits while I'm at it, right? So up a total of 6.5% on this stock, which is fantastic. Our goal is to hit around 5% a week, and we haven't been able to achieve that recently. I had a bad options trade. I tried doing options again, no good. So I'm sticking back with the fundamentals. Easy swing trading, simple swing trading, only if I'm very confident about the stock. And as you can see, we're starting to get some really good results from the swing trading. And for those who are still watching right here, if you guys have any questions, comments, or suggestions, concerns, anything like that, then put it in the comment section below. If you guys have any also video ideas, I'd really appreciate if you guys could put that in the comment section. Or if you guys have any tips for my videos so they're more exciting and more informative, more educative, then just put them in the comment section below. I'd love to read them and love to make some adjustments to my channel to improve it, to help you guys more. So I'm going to be growing my account like I always do. Trying to hit that 5% a week, now back at it. Trying to hit that $1 million milestone. But first, I think our biggest milestone will be making double our money. So 400 will be like our closest milestone. But before that, let me just try to break even at 200. So if you have any video ideas or how to make my videos better, any suggestions, put them in the comment section below. And that'll be for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.